Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one is the Cricut Explore Air 2 for a smart cutting machine, up to 2 times faster than the previous generation. So it says more time to create, more time for life. This DIY speed machine cuts over 100 materials quickly, beautifully, so you can create stunning projects in a recorded time. So the seller posted this on eBay. I think it was like $97 plus 16 something shipping fee, and then the tax is at $8 something. So the total damage out the door was like less than $120. Before this retail price was like $249, and I just saw on the Michael's store was like $229. And if you have a coupon, take additional 20% off. So I think this was like $181 or something like that plus tax. Some YouTuber was saying that the lowest they got was like $129 on sale, or maybe like a Black Friday sales or whatever. So $129 plus tax is about $141. So actually I got a pretty good deal on this one, because the other one was sold like $179 up to $180 plus tax. So yeah, let's go ahead and then check it out. But by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Purchased with my own money. So it says included Cricut Explore Air 2 machine. It says premium fine point blade plus housing, fine point pen, black color, light grip mat 12 by 12, welcome book, quickly start guide, USB cable, power adapter, free trial membership to Cricut Access for new subscribers, 50 ready to print project online, materials for a practice project, warranty document. So you need to have a high-speed internet and a compatible computer or mobile device. So by the way, this one is Bluetooth compatible. So on the top right here, you got the storage compartment for convenient tool access, up to 2 times faster cutting and writing, double tool holder to shift instantly between cutting and writing. And this one has a smart set dial for easy material setting. Bluetooth wireless technology for added convenience. So it says Windows 10, Mac OS, Bluetooth, iPad, iPhone, Android. Open from the bottom up, since has a less tape on it. So this is the instruction manual right here. welcome guide, warranty, FCC statement, yeah, I'm not sure if this is a open item or what, because all this card came out already, so maybe this is a different kind of card stock. So yeah, I think this is card stock from whoever used it. So I don't think this is brand new, so we're gonna have a problem. Okay, this is another material that was left in here. Oh my god. So it's not brand new. I can see the bottom's all scratched up. So this one is the Lilac. So I'm pretty mad right now because the seller this is a brand new, so this is not brand new. I wonder when I'm moving the box, it's like banging here and there. So this video will prove that the unit is not brand new. So as you can see, just a bubble wrap on there. Oh, it's heavy. As you can see, this thing is all scratched up. Some dirtiness right there. This is definitely used. So this one has soft opening, and also it's missing the marker. Oh, the marker is right here. I think this is the cutter right here. So as you can see, the bottom is all scratched. Even the panel right here on the front. Some hair right here. Dirt. Cutting board looks new. Anyway, I'm going to file a dispute right now with the eBay, so bottom here, there's a storage compartment. I thought it was a brand new, so I was wrong. And even though the seller put us a brand new, he or she might think that they could get away with it. So I'm gonna file a dispute, taking out the picture with all the scratches and stuff like that. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.